Hello, I'm Mr. Clark, and I'm my favorite Asia again. There are several places in Singapore that you need to visit. You can visit all of them in one day. This is the world's greatest airport. I'm in Singapore Changi Airport, and it's absolutely remarkable. The main reason I'm here is the Jewel, the biggest indoor waterfall, and the huge tropical forest under the glass dome. The waterfall and forest begin to glow at night. It looks amazing. So leave yourself half a day at the airport in Singapore. From the airport, you can get to the City Hall metro station. You need to walk until you see Marina Bay, one of the most famous hotels in the world, and the Merlion, the symbol of Singapore. Gardens by the Bay, which is on the other side of Marina Bay, absolutely fantastic. A huge botanical garden, half of which is under the glass domes. And look at these, a lot of huge metal trees entwined with tropical flowers.